I'm excited to talk to you about a paper called Being Social May Be Purposeful in Older Adulthood, a Measurement First Design. We see declines in sense of purpose in older adulthood, especially following things like retirement and loss of a spouse or things like that. So this research focuses on how our daily social interactions, both positive and negative, can influence how purposeful we feel from day to day. My name is Gabrielle Fund. I recently finished my PhD at Washington University in St. Louis in the Department of Psychological and Brain Sciences. As of July 1st, I am a postdoctoral researcher in the Department of Medical Social Sciences at the medical school at Northwestern University. So Washington University in St. Louis had a massive role in shaping me to be the researcher that I am. My advisor, Patrick Hill, who's a professor at WashU, was really important, helping me understand the literature on sense of purpose in older adults and actually connecting me with this research team. Matthias Hofer and Matthias Allemand from the University of Zurich. Sense of purpose can be understood as the extent to which one feels that they have personally meaningful goals and directions guiding them through life. And having a higher sense of purpose, or just generally feeling purposeful, predicts a wide range of really desirable life outcomes, such as better well-being overall, but also better physical health, slower cognitive decline in older adulthood. The data collection process, it occurred over a year. There were 106 people reporting on their social interactions every morning, afternoon, and evening, 3 specific weeks over the course of the year. And if they have social interactions, how positive or negative they were. And then how a collection of those social interactions throughout the day ends up predicting how purposeful they feel that day when reflecting upon the entire day. And what we end up finding is that on days in which people had more positive social interactions, they felt more purposeful. And then, of course, the reverse of that is on days in which they had more negative social interactions, they felt less purposeful. And that leads to, when comparing these associations for older adults who were still employed and older adults who were retired, the connection between these fluctuations were much stronger for those who were retired, with retirees in particular seemingly to benefit more from having more positive interactions. The value of this current study is it helps us understand in an older adult population, is often the population experiencing sense of purpose decline, we have found a variable that might help promote it, which is social interactions. So from day to day, if older adults are able to focus on engaging in positive social interactions, that might be one way for them to kind of combat the decline often experienced in this construct, so they can hopefully also experience the benefits that are associated with a higher sense of purpose. If someone is consistently not feeling purposeful, they're not doomed. That is something that can change. That is something that can fluctuate. And so if you're someone who has older parents or grandparents, or this research emphasizes how important the time is that you spend with them, maintaining and enhancing the social relationships that you have with older adults, or as an older adult, really embracing those connections that you have with family and close friends, because it can really make a difference in your daily life.